Continuing Rode's mission to provide premium performance products at an accessible price, the RodeLink system will be one of the most affordable wireless solutions on the market. RodeLink utilizes a Series 2 2.4 GHz 128-bit encrypted digital transmission, which constantly monitors and hops between frequencies to select the strongest signal. The system then transmits a very strong signal at the selected frequency, unlike other devices in the 2.4 GHz spectrum. What this means is that RodeLink maintains rock-solid reliability even in the busiest 2.4 GHz environments and ensures that your audio is just as reliable and secure as a cable connection. On top of this next-generation digital transmission, RodeLink also has the best signal-to-noise and the longest range of any product in its class. It provides a high-resolution 24-bit 44.1 kHz digital transmission, giving you lossless audio transmission at a range of up to 100 meters. The Filmmaker kit contains the RodeLink belt pack transmitter and camera-mounted receiver, in addition to Rode's revered broadcast-grade lavalier microphone. The belt pack transmitter features a 3-stage simple gain adjustment that can be set in seconds. A mute lock function prevents accidental muting of the signal from the transmitter, and a locking 3.5mm input ensures that body-worn microphones are as secure as they possibly can be. The camera-mounted receiver has a removable hot shoe mount, enabling it to be used both on camera and as a belt pack receiver, perfect for audio professionals running dual system audio. A mute override function gives complete control to the operator, while the mute status, input level, and battery status of both the transmitter and receiver are displayed on the front of the unit. The receiver also features the same 3.5mm locking output connector as the transmitter, providing the greatest possible cable security. Both the belt pack transmitter and the camera mount receiver can be powered by any USB power source using a standard micro USB cable, significantly expanding the power options for both units, whether through a mains power source or a portable power bank. The system offers 8 discrete channels that can be easily set up in seconds, with over 8,000 different channel combinations available. Channel selection and pairing couldn't be more simple, with one press operation and automatic scanning on each unit, significantly reducing the setup times required by traditional UHF wireless systems. 20 years ago, Rode revolutionized the home recording experience. 10 years ago, Rode did the same again in the video category. Now the time is right for a revolution in wireless audio capabilities. Now is the time for RodeLink.